Hi, my friend and family. اليوم أنا كنت بالشغل. I'm working today. I come from my work. I see dolma, fresh dolma. I like to guys show you and start eating the dolma and make you like the dolma and starving and you want your mom making for you guys dolma to eat. Look at this. This is pepper. Green pepper. I love green pepper. But this is what happened. My wife, she tell me you can eat the dolma with the jajik. I never eat it before, but I try it. I try the jajik with the dolma. It tastes very good. My wife, she's too smart. Let's eat the dolma and watch everybody how we eat. This is the dolma. You put a little bit jajik. This is the jajik. You put it in the top of the dolma and try, guys, eat it like that. Wow. This is you guys want to try to do. I don't guys tell you a story. It's too funny. I have son. My son is young. One time, my son, he don't eat. Sometimes he eat, he said, oh, I want to throw up. He go to his mom, mom, I want to throw up. She said, what do you want to do? She tell him, she tell Safe, don't do it like this. Do it like this. Is my son, he say, mom, I want to throw up. And Najwa, she tell him, don't throw up like this. Throw up like this. So we move هيجي فهو ما قام بعد ما قام يسوي قام بدل ما يسوي هيجي قام يسوي هيجي فبطل يسوي من هاي الكلمة كل شيء بعد هيجي ماكو صار هيجي فهذا ابني السيف هاي ضحك عليه هي هاي من كان صغير طبعا من يريد يزوع هيك يسوي لامه مام من يريد يزوع وعندي بعد قصة له كان عندي بنتي بس تبكي من هي صغيرة ويلي يا سواد ليلي وين ما نطلع بالسيارة تبكي بالباص تبكي بالموتور سيكل تبكي بالبايسكل تبكي بالشارع تبكي بالبيت تبكي نروح مطعم تبكي نروح محل تبكي يعني كانت مخبلتنا ومدمرتنا بالبكي شنو تريد لازم تاخذ ندخل للستور شنو اريد هذا ما يصير مو زين هذا لا يعني كانت مخبلتنا من البيت. This is I'm talking about Sabrina, I'm talking about Safe, now I'm talking the story about Salam. Those all my kids. Salam he's young, like what, like 4 years old. I buy him a small bike. This guy, anytime he ride the bike, he sleep. He sleep. Anytime I look, say Salam, he's sleeping in a bike like this. He watching the video, I watching TV, he's sleeping like this. Salam, I tell his mom, where is Salam? Go check. He's in the bike, sleeping like this. Always he's sleeping like that. and he suck his finger. It's like anytime I look, where is Salam? He's hiding behind the doors. What you doing? He's sucking his fingers. Don't do that. This is bad for you. He's too funny too. All this about my kids, crazy stuff he's doing. Let me eat. I'm hungry. I'm talking about stories and I'm hungry. She don't let me eat.
You keep talking and you keep get hungry.
This is good dolma. Dolma. أكل لي على الدولمة. نغني للدولمة لازم نسوي أغنية للدولمة. دولمتي حلوة
طالع اليوم الجميلة.
اش طالع اليوم جميلة يا دولمة. يا يومية جميلة
هي طبعا.
يعني مثل جميلة شيطو. زين هسه انا قاعد اكل خلص الجاجيك وقمت اكلها بدون جاجيك. كله خلص.
كل شيء خلص.
حلو مو بجهيتك الشامة عليك الليل ما نام. لا ايام زمان واغاني ايام زمان شقد حلوة. I eat a lot. I stop eating anymore because my stomach starts too big and I don't want to blow up. That's what I said. The video I want to make about food, laugh, fun, everything funny. I like the funny stuff because he makes you live longer. Funny stuff and you make your life laugh and make your life longer. Just this is what I want to make video like that. I make people love me with these videos because I like people laugh. My friend and family I'm talking about, and all the world. I don't know everybody watching my video or not, but I appreciate it if everybody watch my video. I want everybody share the videos. 60 what the hell is that? Like, share, subscribe, and comment for my video. Please, doing this. I say it in the video and nobody doing it anymore. Please, my friend and family, I love you all. This is a funny video. Gakta!
Look at this. I like these. صوريني وانا اكل هاي. Look at this. ويلي. طيب.
Comment, share, and subscribe.
Like, comment, share, and what else?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Subscribe or subscribe? It's hard to say it. It's like crazy. Subscribe. What is it?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Is right? Subscribe. It means like, share, comment, subscribe. This is funny one.